good day to everyone and welcome once again to your Legal Forum. Today we shall be tackling our second problem situation for this week kung saan pag-uusapan po natin ang kwento ng isang gun owner. Tingnan natin ang concerns itong si June. June normally goes home with his co-worker in a motorcycle. They both live in Montalban kung kaya't dumadaan po sila sa Quezon City para makarating sa kanilang lugar. Dahil na rin sa mga dangers na kanilang dinadaanan sa kalye, nagdesisyon itong si June na kumuha ng baril para sa kanyang proteksyon. Ito'y lisensyado and he also was able to obtain a permit to carry firearm outside of his residence. Napag-alaman itong si June na marami daw insidente sa Quezon City about people riding in tandems. And during one of the days that he was on his way home with a co-worker, sila'y pinigil sa isang checkpoint and sila po'y chinek ng ilang mga kapulisan. The search was very thorough kung kaya't he was starting to feel that it was bordering on some form of harassment. Fortunately, wala po siyang baril na dala noong oras na yon. He was thinking of the repercussions it might have caused if the search was able to produce a gun kahit na po ito'y rehistrado. Kaya't nais nga malaman nitong si June, may he be automatically considered a suspect in numerous crimes in Quezon City kapag pag-alaman ng mga pulis na siya'y nagmamay-ari ng isang baril at siya'y kasama sa isang tandem tuwing siya'y papauwi? Is the act of searching thoroughly against all passerbys in the area who ride in tandem not considered a violation of their rights? And finally, maaari daw bang magsampa ng isang suit, ng harassment suit laban sa mga kapulisan? We will know the answers to all of these questions right after this break. Balik po tayo sa ating programang Legal Forum, mga kaibigan. Kanina nga po ay pinag-uusapan natin ang concerns itong si June and the following are the questions that have been raised. May he be automatically considered a suspect in the numerous crimes that have been happening in Quezon City if the police learn that he owns a gun at siya din po ay kasama sa isang riding in a tandem? Would the act of searching thoroughly against all passers-by in the area who ride in tandem be considered a violation of their rights? And finally, may a harassment suit be also filed against the police in this case? Joining me once again, friends, to help us answer all of these questions is my very special guest for this week, Atty Atty Tabujara. Isang magandang araw muli sa iyo, Tiki.
Thank you for inviting me, Judge.
Okay, ayan na, yung mga riding in tandems na yan. Medyo ako personally ay kinda, ikaw, ano bang feeling mo sa mga incidents na ito na maraming krimen na nasasagawa because of these people who are riding in a tandem?
Well, nakakatakot nga kasi ang dami-dami ng incidents no ng riding in tandem na it's the preferred way of assassins no na makagawa ng krimen no sa it's a concern, it's a public concern already.
Wala kayang balak sila na maglabas ng isang batas na bawal na ang riding in tandem? Or is that impractical also?
Meron nag-try yata na ordinance na bawal ang riding in tandem, pero it was opposed by certain cause-oriented groups as a violation of human rights, no? Kasi yung ibang tao kasi kung pumasok talaga walang kotse, talagang umaangkas talaga doon sa motor. That's all they can afford, no, as a means of transportation. So kailangang ibalanse rin, no? Ibabalanse rin yung karapatan ng tao doon sa public safety ng nakakararami.
Okay, so moving forward, ito ngang si June, talagang licensed gun owner siya at meron din siyang na-issue din siya na isang PTCFOR or permit to carry firearm outside of his residence. And during one instance, nagkaroon nga ng search sa isang checkpoint na nangyari, buti na lang daw wala daw siyang dalang baril at the time. Kasi kung meron daw, di lalong lapalala yung sitwasyon dahil nga maraming incidents na pala na itong mga riding in a tandem, merong nagawang mga criminal acts for which reason nag-aabang talaga sila ng mga ito. So, would he have been considered automatically a suspect kung nahuli siya na may dalang baril at naka-riding in tandem siya?
Hindi naman automatic, no? The riding in tandem is yung pag-checkpoint sa kanila is police procedure, no? Kasi marami na nga mga riding in tandem na krimen na ginagawa, no? But just because you ride in tandem doesn't necessarily mean na you're automatically deemed a criminal, no? Ngayon, kung may dala kang barel, kung sapat naman yung papeles mo, meron kang lisensya, permit to carry, wala naman sigurong problema. Chine-check lang ng PNP na at least hindi ka kasabwat dun sa mga gumagawa ng mga krimen na riding in tandem.
What about the concern of June in this case na wala namang masama sa pagkaroon ng checkpoint or pagsa-search no, ng mga sasakyan if a situation like this is needed. Pero tila during the time when it happened, he really felt like he was a suspect in something na talagang bordering na on a harassment yung situation kasi nga nagkataon lang na may kasabay or nakikiangkas siya doon sa kasamahan niya sa trabaho para sila ay pumasok ng office at saka sa pag-uwi nila no, para makatipid nga naman. And during that incident, because of that feeling na parang na-violate ang kanyang pagkatao, hindi ba daw ito maituturing na isang violation ng kanyang karapatan, human rights?
It would depend do sa length of time na na-detain siya, no? Kasi pag ordinary search lang siguro, baka pwede it would be a valid search, no? Che-check-in siya for weapons, ganun, ikakap-kapan siya. But depende do sa haba, no? Kung tumagal ka na doon, mga 30 minutes, 1 hour, hindi ka na pinaalis ng mga pulis, that could already constitute a ground, no, for him to complain, no, na harassment tsaka yung illegal arbitrary detention, no, kasi again yung pag checkpoint dapat sandali lang 'yon, no, ilang minuto lang siguro maximum paalisin ka na, no, pero pag they hold you for more than 30 minutes, 45 minutes, umabot ng 1 hour, that's already considered as arbitrary detention.
Okay, sabay tiningnan pa kung magkano laman ng pitaka.
Kung kinuha yung pitaka, mas malala yun.
Okay, hindi naman po natin sinasabi na maraming maraming ganyang nangyayari, but it so happens na meron talaga mga insidente na ganito which we would really want also to avoid. Now, sa ganitong situation, let's say lang it went further than that, Tiki. Kunwari, pinlantan siya ng ebidensya or pinlantan siya ng isang illegal na bagay. There was a time in the history of the country na maraming nagko-complain na no, that evidence was planted also, although there are also instances that that is the magical defense na every time na nahuhulihan ka na may dalang illegal drugs, hindi po akin yan, na pinlantan lang ako, di ba? So, it's of course two sides of the coin na may kanya-kanyang version. Ano bang kaso ang maaari niyang isampa laban sa pulis if there is really harassment already? Saan siya magsasampa? Is it going to be a criminal case? May admin case ba? And if there is indeed a planting of evidence, how far can a case go?
Well, ang unang talakayan natin yung planting, no? Kasi may bagong batas, yung RA 10591, na kung saan nakasaad na planting of evidence by the PNP or the police shall already constitute a criminal offense of punishable by life imprisonment, no? So tumaas na yung penalty, no, very specific na life imprisonment pag nagplanta ng baril dun sa suspect, no? And then secondly, kung gustong magreklamo about harassment or na-detain siya ng rider ng medyo matagal-tagal, pwedeng sampahan ng dalawang places, no, yung PLEB, yung People's Law Enforcement Board, kung nasaan yung incident na nangyari. Or pwedeng diretso din sa NAPOLCOM, sa National Police Commission din sa Makati, kung saan they handle administrative cases against the PNP who have abused their authority or gumawa ng abuse dun sa mga citizens natin.
Okay. Itong sa paghaharang or pagkakaroon ng checkpoint dito sa mga riding in tandem, is this in itself a valid search that is being implemented by the kapulisan, no, so to speak? Kasi 'di ba pag car may checkpoint, fina-flashlight, tapos of course if from the mirrors sa unang tingin pa lang ng isang pulis makakita na niya may long arm doon and all that, then of course he can insist that you open the car and the like. But as a general rule, when a checkpoint is had, hindi mo naman kailangan buksan ang iyong trunk or yung iyong ano bang tawag ito, dashboard and the like.
It's a controversial issue, no, yung sa riding in tandem tsaka yung mga motor, no, yung pag-check, no. Normally, pagka-kotse kasi, which was the previous standard given to the PNP, dapat visual search lang yan, no. So, dapat from the outside, titingin CCTV ng police, they can stop you at a checkpoint and then i-flashlight yung loob ng kotse mo. Kung wala makita, they cannot force you to open the car or to open your trunk, no, o kaya yung dashboard mo. Ngayon, the problem with yung sa motor kasi, open siya. So, pag chinikpoint yung motor, open na open yung tao, natural, kakap-kapan talaga yung tao, pabababain yung tao. You cannot balance the motorcycle while it's stopped, no? So, bababa ka talaga at kinap-kapan, check yung mga bag. So, this has brought about some questions, no, kung pwede ba to o hindi. So, hindi pa settled yung issue na yan. Some say it's not allowed, some say it's allowed. So, hindi pa umaabot sa Supreme Court yung issue na yan. But in my personal opinion, as long as the search is limited to a short time at checkin lang kung may weapons ka o wala, that would be a valid search. But if they look into your bags do sa motor mo o kaya do sa mga ibang mga gamit mo sa motor, that would already constitute an illegal search.
Oh, the line seems to be very thin when it comes to all these motorcycle riders. Medyo mahirap talaga siyang i-determine if it's already a violation or it's still within the bounds of the law. Very, very thin ang line sa tingin ko, Tiki. Mas mahirap siya. Kumbaga, kung i-compare natin sa kotse na talagang alam mo kung ano yung parameters, kumbaga. Ito nga naman, plain view So, kahit sabihin sa'yo na buksan mo yan, parang wala ka ng choice kasi tinigil ka na doon. Pag hindi mo naman buksan, baka naman barilin ka rin. Diba, susunod ka na lang. Well, thank you again so much, Tiki, for helping us out with our problem situation today. And I will be seeing you again tomorrow for our next batch of questions.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tiki. And once again, friends, we would like to thank everyone for joining us today. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please write to Legal Forum, care of Zoe Broadcasting Network, Inc., 22nd floor, Strata 2000, F. Ortigas Jr. Road, Ortigas Center, Pasig City. Ang ating email address, legal_forum@yahoo.com, at ang ating Twitter account, ATTYJOJI. Until tomorrow then, for your Legal Forum, I'm Attorney Georgie Alonso.